Good greetings. We are Team Tech Warriors from Chennai Institute of Technology specializing in VLSI. Our team, Sanbagasilan, Ragul, Praveen, Tarun Babu, and myself, Merlin Jennifer, is mentored by Dr. R. M. Bummi, the HOD of VLSI. We are excited to present our innovation titled Edge AI Enabled Collision Prevention System using IWR6843 and VEGA processor. Every year, India witnesses over 1.5 lakh road deaths, which is 17 lives lost every hour. And the most affected are two wheelers, e rickshaws, and budget EVs, which are vehicles with little to no safety mechanisms. ADAS exists, but it's made for high end cars and not India. Why? Because these systems rely on LiDARs, GPUs, and cloud ML, which makes it expensive, power hungry, and ineffective in fog, darkness, or poor connectivity. That's where we come in. Introducing SenseSafe, India's first embedded adaptable intelligent safety platform tailored for our real roads and real conditions. We have chosen VEGA processor for its edge optimized machine learning inference, seamless FPGA integration, low power consumption for embedded systems, and robust sensor interfacing capabilities. We fuse data from mmWave radar, vision, motion, and light sensors and process it completely offline using the VEGA RISC-V core on an Arctic 7 FPGA. No internet, no cloud, no GPU. It works in the dark, through dust, and even in rural terrains. At the core lies the IWR6843 mmWave radar, which generates 3D point clouds, data points containing range, Doppler velocity, angle of arrival, and signal strength. This raw radar output is parsed via UART and a finite state machine FSM on the FPGA, which extracts key features like relative speed, object size, distance, and radial acceleration. These features feed into an embedded decision tree ML model built using the CART algorithm, which offers an optimal balance of speed, interpretability, and resource efficiency for real-time inference on the Arctic 7 FPGA with a VEGA processor. Its if-else logic structure ensures deterministic performance under 100 milliseconds latency with clear control over safety critical inputs like distance, velocity, and angle. This model is trained to classify vehicles, pedestrians, and static obstacles and compiled to pure C code that runs on the VEGA 81051 RISC-V core with no OS and no external compute. Post classification, alerts are triggered by a buzzer and RGB LED, and results are sent via Canvas using the MCP2515 controller, enabling integration with ECUs and digital dashboards. We also log all data from radar inputs and ML outputs to an SD card via SPI, storing up to 24 hours of incident data for retraining and diagnostics. All modules from FSM to ML and communication are interconnected using AXI4 Lite in a fully co-designed hardware-software stack. To further enhance reliability, we have integrated the OV7670 CMOS camera for brightness and object size, MPU6050 IMU for motion, orientation, and jog detection, ambient light sensor for dynamic sensitivity control. These are fused in real time, allowing adaptive behavior based on lighting, movement, and context, reducing false alerts and improving robustness in Indian driving conditions. SenseSafe isn't just another ADAS add-on. It is a cloud-free and GPU-free ADAS offline native for rural India, built on RISC-V, aligning with DIRV and Atmanirbhar Bharat, adaptive to darkness, weather, and dust, secure with onboard ST logging for post-event analysis, modular and flexible, enabling custom integration for various use cases. No existing solution provides full sensor fusion, real-time ML, and offline operation in one adaptable, low-cost platform. We have already built and verified the MVP, which is with custom hardware accelerator IP designed for collision detection, sensor modules integrated with VEGA SoC via AXI4 Lite, simulated and verified in Vivado, with LED and buzzer respond to real-time risk levels. Following the simulation, we have finished the synthesis of our design as well by connecting our accelerator IP with the VEGA processor SoC, tested with 1000 nanoseconds waveform validation for transition accuracy, ST logging, and multi-sensor integration in progress. In the semifinals, we will showcase real-time alerts, sensor fusion in action, and live risk classification. We are not just prototyping, we are building a platform. Now moving on to the business model of this product, SenseSafe is scalable and market ready for hardware sales to OEMs, EV makers and logistics companies, IP licensing of our ML plus FPGA stack to third-party developers, fleet dashboards for safety analytics, white labeled retrofitting kits for budget vehicles. Our platform can power e-rickshaws in tier 2 towns, warehouse bots and AGVs, disaster response robots, smart mobility fleets, defense transport systems. And to take this forward, we seek more Arctic 7 boards for parallel testing, mentorship in edge ML optimization, support for real world sensor calibration, pilot partnerships with mobility startups. We are Team Tech Warriors and we're building India's first flexible embedded ADAS platform, making intelligent safety accessible to every Indian vehicle. Thank you.